Oh, this is also really nice, but only one ride.
Yeah.
Because they changed the button colors inside today on the 10th of August 2024. 16 floors over.
Yeah.
Here's Fabijoniškių gatvė 43. And this was built in 1992. Also in Fabijoniškių, Vilnius, Lithuania, and this is one of the suburbs.
Yeah. Or Fabijoniškės. And Fabijoniškių is the genitive form.
Oh yeah. There are 16 floors here. Still on the imported side, because that's the columns.
Yeah.
And I think the machine is.
Yeah.
But when would that this been? Up, late 1990s?
Yeah, probably.
Capacity.
Yeah.
Hard, it doesn't say.
Yeah, but it's for person 320 kilograms.
Yeah.
Maintained by Paradis Liftai.
I like the wooden doors.
Yeah, so here. So you're gonna press LF01033232.
Small.
Yeah.
And here's 16. So I can press on that down.
Yeah.
Machine is original.
Yeah. Yeah. Maintained by Paradis Liftai.
Yes. Let's go back to the first one.
Yeah.
What was the capacity here?
6 person 500 kilograms.
Yeah.
That's